Have you ever looked at the recent Civic Type Rs, whether the FK8 or the FL5, and just thought to yourself, I really wish it didn't have that big obnoxious wing on the back? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to delete your wing, make the back look a lot cleaner, and we're going to talk about one of these recent Civic Type Rs that actually came without a wing, stock from Honda. We're going to talk about the wing and how to delete it, and also what I think about the wing on the Civic Type R in this video. The Civic Type R is an aggressive track weapon. On the track, it's the most aggressive version of the Honda Civic, and in recent years, including the FK8 Civic Type R, it has been very, very aggressive. Now, the FL5, the brand new Civic Type R, is a lot less aggressive, but still has some aggressive traits from the FK8, like the huge wing on the back. Now, there are lots of people that actually don't like this huge wing, and it's actually a surprising amount of people. I see people comment on the last video that I talked about the FL5 Civic Type R without a wing, and a lot of people said that they can take the wing or leave it. They don't really care if it has a wing. A lot of people actually said they don't like the wing and they would love the Type R without a wing. And it's actually surprising because I love the aggressive looks of the Type R, and I definitely love seeing that wing when I look back in my back window. It's not only just an aggressive piece on the back that just makes it look so bad and stand out, it actually serves a purpose and gives the vehicle downforce in the rear for track use. Now, in Europe, there was actually an FK8 version of the Type R that had no wing. It was called the Sportline Civic Type R, and it actually had no wing back there, not even a delete. It was just no wing. It looks somewhat like a base Civic Type R with all of the Type R goodies added. And you see a lot of FK7s on the road built like a Type R, and you almost can't tell the difference, especially with the Type R replica wing on the back. They are actually really clean hatchbacks, and I would probably do the same if I had an FK7. The Sportline Civic Type Rs, I believe, were only built in Europe, and it's really interesting to see a Civic Type R from Honda stock without a wing, and it looks just like the base hatch almost, with a bunch of Type R goodies and those fender vents as well. It's just really crazy to see. And here you could see the PRL FK8 Wing Delete Kit. This is $119. You can actually find it on the PRL Motorsports website, and it does look pretty clean, especially from a distance. You're not going to notice it too much, but they do pop out a bit. It's basically some caps that cap off the holes so you don't get water or any damage in your vehicle, and it just makes it look a lot cleaner than maybe trying to patch up the holes or something. Now, this is probably the easiest fix you can do if you don't like the wing look and you just want to get rid of the wing and cap off those holes. It is $119, like I said, which is a bit much, but I don't see many companies actually making these, so it's really cool that PRL does support the Civic Type R and makes things like this that some people might not even care about, but others might really love. And here's the FL5 Civic Type R PRL Wing Delete Kit. Now, on the website, these are labeled differently from the FL5 to the FK8, so I'm assuming they are different in some way. And so I would get the one that is for your car, whether it's the FK8 or the FL5, obviously, and they are the same price as well. They're both $119, and yeah, they look basically the same. But, I mean, there could be some differences, but yeah, that's what it looks like when you delete your wing on the Civic Type R. A lot of people want to delete the wing, surprisingly. It's crazy, and I thought this video would help you guys out if you guys didn't know about this option for the Civic Type R. I know a lot of people want to delete their rear wiper as well. So I knew that would be a more common thing, but I didn't realize how many people did not like the wing on the Civic Type R. So this is just another option, another mod that you can do to your Civic Type R, whether it's the FL5 or FK8. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the wing for the Civic Type R. Do you guys like the wing? Do you guys hate the wing? Are you going to delete the wing? And did you guys know about this option if you did dislike the wing that much for your Civic Type R? Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you guys own a Civic Type R, what Civic Type R you guys own, and which one you guys prefer. That's a hot topic as well. Obviously, some people hate one or the other. I love all the Civic Type Rs, even the FN and the FK2. The ones that people really didn't like, the EP3 Type Rs, I love all of them. I think all of them are amazing. I love all the Civic Type Rs. I would love to collect them all, and these FL5 and FK8s are on another level. They are so amazing, and the looks are just crazy. I love the looks. I love the wings on these, but any mod that comes out on the market that you can purchase for your car is a good thing, whether you're going to use it or not, because some people just want the option to remove their wing, and now you guys have it. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next video.